How to fix character AI app not working. Welcome to the channel everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your character AI application is not working, start off by press and holding your application. Head over to App Info. Tap on to Force Stop. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After this, the bug or the glitch issue must be solved. If you do not have such feature in your mobile device, tap open your phone settings. Click on to Apps and head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Character AI. Repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading over to Storage and Cache and clearing it up. After this, you can open up your Play Store or App Store in the case of an iOS device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Character AI. If you see any of the update button, just leave your application for an update. The last resort is to uninstall it and reinstall it later. Last but not the least, check for the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed. If not, switch into a cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.